Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how to use Amazon Translate for real-time language translation. Start by searching for Amazon Translate in the AWS console. This is a neural machine translation service. It helps you translate text from one language to another. It uses deep learning techniques to produce more accurate and fluent translation than traditional statistical and rule-based translation models. Let's try an example. Choose English as the source language. Then choose Hindi as the target language. Type, "Hello, how are you?" The translation appears instantly. Namaste, aap kaise hai? It works fast and is very easy to use. There are many language options available. You can also translate complete documents. Just choose the source and target language. Then, upload your file. Supported file types include plain text, HTML, and Word. Once uploaded, Amazon Translate will process it. This is very useful for large documents. You can also do batch translation. Click Create Job. Again, choose the source and target language. Then, select the input location in an S3 bucket. Put all the files you want to translate into that S3 bucket. Choose the file format. Next, choose where to store the translated files. And click Create Job. This is great when you need to translate many files at once. You can also monitor translation metrics. It shows how many translations succeeded or failed. This helps you know if everything is working well. Now, let's talk about custom terminology. You can create a list of special terms or names. For example, your brand names or product terms. You upload them in CSV, TSV, or TMX format. This helps Amazon Translate use the correct words every time. You can also use parallel data. This helps you control the tone and style of translations. Here's an example. How are you? In French can be informally translated as comment ça? And formally, comment allez-vous? Use parallel data to tell Amazon Translate which style to use. This gives you better control over how your content sounds. And that's it. This was a quick overview of Amazon Translate. It's a powerful tool for automatic language translation.